If you're a woodworker and you're looking for an affordable professional website, keep watching this video because you're certainly in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the multi-site platform. If you haven't heard of multi-site yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people's various side hustles to have a professional, effective, and easy to update website. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video and give it a go. Now, once you've registered in a free account trial, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, woodworker. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's go ahead and tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business, where it's located, which city and which state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on that continue button and let Marty Site work its magic and create a simple website. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the wooden furniture and creations you have come up with. You want to showcase them on your website, you can do that. It's super simple to make amendments. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to have any sort of website professional skills of any kind, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this process. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can do it all yourself. So I'm going to head to the top section and go ahead and click on update section. Let's go ahead and pop in our email address over here. And I want to make sure that email address is displayed on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street's address. Great thing about that address, when your website is live, your customers can click on it and be taken directly to your Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one. Let's go ahead and update our social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Awesome. Let's go ahead and update that logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options on the website. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, frames, go ahead and click on the little pencil. Otherwise, click on save and you can make the logo bigger and smaller on the right. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding, your logo a little bit better, go ahead and click on the little paint bucket. No color coding necessary. Go through the various color palettes available for you to use. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. If there's an image in that section, browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use or very high quality. You can make amendments to the content too. Button currently says request a free estimate, which I think is perfectly fine. If you want to change that text, you can go ahead and do so. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website if need be. And action, otherwise upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your catalog or your current promotions and offers. Look at that. This looks absolutely fantastic. And the last section over here is where your customers can reach out to you, the lead form. All they need to just put in their details, their query or message, push send, and you will get notified via email. You have a new lead via the form. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain, you want to purchase one to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on this button over here. And your Mighty dashboard is where you'll find your leads as well from that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your woodworking business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, features, questions, or concerns, do comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback.